Afternoon, everyone. A quick one, guys. Quick one to our Facebook doctor. Sharp. Make we call listen to this audio, my people. Make we call listen to this our mama where they talk for this audio. So don't give one to Dr. Facebook Wotowoto. Dr. Facebook money Wotowoto. Wanna come here to read as this our mama take give am Wotowoto to our Dr. Facebook. Oh yeah, now make we hear the audio, my people. No time to check time here. Hi, God.
Here in America, it's very easy. Once he files, and I don't.
Oh my God. 3 times he continue trying to collect the keys from you, dear. Oh my God. Justine, why are you doing this to our big Korra? It's not good. You should remember the time you guys are together, having a nice time, being, don't just be thinking the bad ones alone. You have to think the good time as well. She's a little girl. Yeah. It's not really good because she have a child for you already. Don't be treating her this way. The kids need to be with their mother, not their father. You cannot take care of the kids the way the mother will take care of them, no matter what. No matter what. It's mother that always take care of kids, not father. Even if you are with them, there is a lot of things that you cannot do with those kids because the kids are evil girls. They are not boys. If you want to shower them, not all parts that you can touch in their body, So let their mother take care of them. You keep on trying to take Korra kids away from her. But later on, when the kids grow, they will always look for their mother. You are just doing this for nothing. Are you going to tell the kids that their mother is no more? No, their mother is alive. They will still look for their mother. The love is already there. The love of a mother is there. So you are just doing what you are doing for nothing's sake. For nothing. Korra is their mother. You have nothing to change that. You cannot do that. You cannot change it. So sad. So sad, guys. I'm so disappointed on you and the people supporting you. It's not good. It's good to say the truth. Those of you supporting him, congratulating him, Nigerians for that matter, you guys, you don't know what you are doing. I believe so, that you are joining our Facebook doctor to fight our own sister. You guys don't know what you are doing. You should fight for your own sister, for the kids to be with the mother. The truth is always bitter for our people. I don't know why. My fellow Nigerians. How can you leave your fellow Nigeria? You'll be fighting for the white man. Hey, nothing where they know see for una body, oh. Nothing where they know here for una body, my fellow Nigeria. Make una change for una evil way. Those of una where they congratulate and they join her. They gather, they beat our own sister, Korra. God will not forgive you guys. So what you guys are doing is not good. Make una put una self for Korra shoe. If now you be Korra, sister, if you not put yourself for Korra shoe and you get that bad mind to Korra, to the wicked her, it not go better for you. You don't know what you they do Korra so. I'm coming. This video is yours. Is not too long. I said, let me come and play this mama audio for you guys to listen because she's really angry with our Facebook doctor. What our Facebook doctor is doing to this our beautiful Korra is not really good. Let's say the truth, guys. Let's say the truth. God is watching every one of you. Those of you that are joining him. If you are Korra, will you accept your husband to take your children away from you? If you as a mother, will you accept the father of your children to come and take your children from you, and later you will be single, you will be alone. Will you accept it, sister? Why do you want it to happen to someone else? What you don't like, don't give it to someone to eat. No matter what, mother is supreme. Mother is mother. Let the mother be with the kids. Period. That is all I have to say. If you find this video interesting, you can share it, you can like it. Thanks so much for watching Sweet Mother Gist TV. As a May, you see my BS, you see that? The woman of speaking truth. I always say the truth because it's only the truth that will set us free. Don't join people to do evil. Don't see white, you will say it's yellow or it's black. Try to tell the world that this thing is white. Korra children must be with Korra. We have to do riot for that. We the good ones. Yeah? This need to stop. The way our Facebook daughter is treating Korra, it need to stop now. Ha! I use the bar for some people. If I see some things for this media and me wey no dey talk, I go dey talk by force now. I know they talk, but person where they talk the truth, you suppose they come out come they talk. As I know they talk, it be like say they worst things. Aproko Gist TV. Now our Nigeria sister they join that. Hey, not be small thing, my sister. Oh, the thing shock me. Oh, I don't really understand. Oh, good afternoon, my sister. Aproko Gist TV. I don't really understand what they go on with our Nigeria. What did Buhari do now? Something they do now. Well, now they join another people, they fight to now, sister. Oh, salo boy. I don't understand, though. I know you also understand. What is going on? What is really happening in our, let me say, those cyberspace or Nigeria cyberspace? I don't really know. Why are you guys like this? You will see the truth and you will bend it. It's not good. Huh? In our Edo, we always say, Ijoma, oh. Irimi yoge ni gbije mewa, oh. Ijoma. Let Korra be with the kids. Anyhow the mother is mother. Make una let Korra train the children. Huh? I'm going to take care of children. I don't even understand though. Which kind of experience the man can get? We want to train children. I beg, make una change una word for una matter. Eh? No matter the heaviness we una get for Korra, the matter the hatred we una get for Korra, make una change una mind. I beg. I use God beg all the Nigeria's Facebook bloggers and let me say presenters will be so na they join Facebook daughter. It's not good for una, eh? Huh? Now our Nigeria sister join. Okay. I don't know what Korra do them. I don't know. Make una forgive her if you offend una. Eh? Now jealousy they cause all those things, my sister. Oh. Because of the views where Korra they get. Make we they talk the truth. What thing will happen may it happen self. If I told the quiet self. View where Korra they get. Now yours they pain una, they pepper una for body so. Hey, may you still struggle, do what they do, may you for still they get the view. Where are you crying, sister? Hey, brother. Now we may even do this issue self. Now they did the case. Una stop to the oppressor. Eh? I don't understand some people. Why are you guys like this? Now they heavy, now they bitter, now they jealous. Chai, how God want to bless you now if you are the jealous somebody? God can never bless you when you are there jealousing. You know, pray, may God will do you. May you do something better for your page. May people constantly view you like her. They no go here. Now jealousy they pain them. I don't say na jealousy, nothing else. May they live on. All of una way they even the saga of year or so. Korra on a junior one. Mona not forget. They go do it on a junior sister. They not go do it on a junior sister. My people. I beg. Anything we Korra do, na mona forgive her. Leave that girl alone, please. I'm begging every one of you. Let her be. Now let she start to bring her marital issue come out for social media. One and no one let her arrest. Now even they raise the issue. Even though say it come out, now your problem he can't talk. He not talk now. Hey, very long time. You know how long Korra they build that her page. Long time oh. Even that I don't even know say Korra na Nigeria safe. I think say now all those Congo, all those Africa country. I don't even know say na Nigeria woman. The way she dey dress and all. I don't even they wash her that time. If I just say I'll say this one or your pass. I'm saying the truth. But when this issue can't come up, now I say sure. This girl na Nigeria. Now they say na Nigeria oh. Now I say okay, I call the follow up for the issue. Huh? Make una let her be. Thanks for the love and like, guys. Mona let her be. I use God beg una. Mona find another topic. Make una grow una page. Anytime where I watch any of una video, I will they comment come they give her to una Wotowoto for here. Now una words of una maths. Now I go take the follow now because Korra they happy for her last video where she do yesterday night. She come they sing music, just Benin music, Christian music. I say sure. A lot of people are saying, Korra, what are you celebrating? She no need to come they tell una again for media if una no know. So somebody can write comments for one presenter say, Korra is she's free now. The kids are with her again. Congratulations to Korra. I say no, it will not happen. Why will you say so? Tell Korra to show you the proof, the paper. So you don't want your fellow Nigeria to be free from that court case and to be happy and for her to stay with her kids. Hey, whoa, now wow. I dey fear una. Una fear una. Me borrow leg, join leg te run for una. Chai, una mind or see you are cocoa black. May God help you now. Maybe now you short one, my people. You know how long. Korra don't they page not be the one that they build one day. If it be 10 years, 20 years, before people can't know you, now small. You also do anything where they do. Put efforts. Not just abandon the page. Maybe you do video today. Tomorrow you know do. Next tomorrow you know do. You can't do next week. No, you are not building your page. As Korra they come out every day. Now so that they build page. Try to they update your followers every day. Now page till they grow. No, so not get power self. That they lazy. May I go sleep? May I go watch movie self? Me that page all day there. Now so you go take grow. But later you the jealous person where they build you or I want they go. It not good. Those our EA when put Facebook money for heads. Not be small. No we ain't high. The person know herself why they talk to. Since when they even start the Facebook of 18 till now they call carry small picky matter they put for heads now. Now they want constantly make money. What the money one they make is how many years? We not even know say money they did since that time. We they watch you now. I never even dream say I want to put page. Wanna leave Korra alone. Wanna leave the poor girl alone. Leave her in peace. May take off her keys. Wanna stop to the put fire and pepper for the matter. Me no say na someone and they pump that dot of Facebook. Where be say they do all those things to Korra so. Now that I know I make sure person name Mona not provoke me. Now you they pump her. Show and pepper, do one like this, do one like that. Sister, enough is enough. Stop. Because if dirty too much for soup, blind woman or blind man, you can't know say, this soup dirty there. Enough is enough, You people should leave Korra alone. Let her be. Let her take care of her kids alone. In fact, una matter the tire person, Nigeria, una almost different. Una almost different though. They say women support women. Una can be upside down. Not be juju be that. Now can be another thing else. Una can they support man. If not be wetin dey under, una come dey find, I no come know. E be like say na wetin dey under. Now una come dey find. Those of una wey dey support Dr. Facebook. Now another thing una dey find from that man. No be, I no see anything else. Because una fair dey do the adulterous right from time. Shameless people. Make I leave una job. Thanks so much for watching Sweet Mother Gist TV. Kindly like and follow my page. Share the video as well. God bless you as you do. See you guys on my next one. Bye guys. Bye-bye.